Welcome to our cooking channel. Today, we're bringing you a classic Filipino dish with a twist: pork bistek, also known pork chop steak. This savory and tangy dish is sure to become favorite in your home. Let's get started with the ingredients you'll need, and you see all ingredients on screen and correct measurement. Let's prepare our garlic and white onion. Then cut the garlic into mince and cut the white onion into ring. Let's prepare the marinade. In a bowl, combine the pork chop, soy sauce, calamansi juice, dash of black pepper, and minced garlic. Mix well, making sure each piece well coated. Let's cover and marinate at least 1 hour in the refrigerator for the best result. After an hour of marinating, let's just remove the garlic minced that stuck to our pork and then the excess marinade. Let's transfer our marinated pork chop to another container. Heat the pan and put a little amount of cooking oil. Heat it over medium heat. Once hot, sear or fry the pork chop for about 3 to 4 minutes or side, or until they turn light brown. Repeat the process of searing and frying the pork chop. In the pan, heat the cooking oil, then once hot add the white onion ring and sauté until translucent. Add minced garlic. Sauté in 10 seconds and add the pork chop to the pan. Let's just stir it a little. Let's just add our reserve marinade. adding 1 plastic bottle of Sprite lime. This is the ingredient that speed up the tenderizing our pork chop, so I added this. Add half glass of water and simmer about 10 minutes, or until the pork chop are tender. Let's season with salt and pepper powder to enhance the taste. Adding a spoon of brown sugar to balance the taste. Lastly, add our white onion ring to give extra aroma to our dish. Now, let's try the taste. Yummy. Once the pork chop are cooked to perfection, it's time to serve. Arrange the pork chops on a plate, garnish with the sauté onion rings and pour the sauce over them. And there you have it, a delicious pork bistek ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. Let us know in the comments below how your pork bistek turned out. Happy cooking!